How to unlock your profile on Facebook mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to unlock your profile on Facebook mobile. First thing I'm gonna do is go to Facebook and then click these three lines here and go down until you find settings and privacy, and then click settings, and now go down until you find here profile locking and click on it. And now, as you see, all you need to do just click unlock, and then click unlock your profile. And as you see, my profile has been unlocked, and that's how to unlock your profile on Facebook mobile. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.